Graph the inequality, y is less than x squared minus 2. Let's start by graphing our boundary curve, which is the equation y equal x squared minus 2. This boundary is a parabola that gets shifted down 2 units from the origin, so it has its vertex here on the y-axis at 0, -2. It's of the same shape as y equal x squared. It opens upward. So let's just quickly sketch a parabola. As we sketch, we're going to graph this, we're going to sketch this parabola as a dotted curve. Because we're graphing a strict inequality, and we don't want to include values that are actually on the curve. Now, our solution region is going to either be below this parabola or above it. You might think of that as inside it. Let's choose a test point to determine which. I'm going to choose the origin as a test point. So let's test the point 0, 0 in our inequality statement. So 0 for y and 0 for x gives 0 is less than 0 squared minus 2. 0 is less than -2. No, that is false. Therefore, the origin is not included in the solution region, which indicates that this area on the other side of the parabola is included in the solution region. So let's shade that area, indicating that our solution to this inequality is the area of our plane below that parabola and not including the points on the parabola.